What's up, family? It feels good to be back. Look, I just landed from Miami last night around 12 midnight. Guys, my suitcase is still right here. I'm not even unpacked yet. So we're gonna do a little challenge today, guys. I bought some food at the airport and I have some change left over, right? I got this $10 bill right here, right? $10 bill. Now, we're gonna see how much I can make with this $10 bill via Amazon FBA retail arbitrage, and we're gonna see what I could do with this. I haven't been here in over a week. I don't know what the Goodwill's looking like or any of the bargain stores, but we're gonna go hit one or a few of them up, and we're gonna see what I can make with this $10. All right, guys, so this is what we're gonna do right now. First vlog being home. Hey, by the way, you guys want to see what I was doing in Miami, check this little bit of footage out.
Or if not, we have 2 cars.
You know what I'm saying? Like, it's lit in here, bro. Whoa, you caught the computer? You caught it. Woo!
I was about to die.
Computer almost dropped. And Scotty Nove caught it. Scotty Nove caught the computer about to drop. These are my boys right here, too. You know what I'm saying? It's all VR. It's all VA. He is single right here. He oh, see, yeah. Whoa. Yeah, so if you want more of that, then go subscribe to the music channel, because I'm gonna be doing uploads on, you know, just stuff that I'm doing with music and music videos and all that cool stuff. But anyways, guys, let's head to the bargain stores. Let's see how much money I can make with this $10. Let's see what I can flip. Let's see what I can do with $10. Let's see. Like, this is a challenge. Let's go. So yeah, family, I was out in Miami. I apologize for the lack of uploads. I've been just living it up, enjoying myself, you know what I mean? Kind of like a vacation, but not really a vacation. It was like a workcation, because I was still working, just in a different way. Didn't really do any retail arbitrage out there, but however, I did make money while I was gone, which is amazing. That's that passive income when you send in a bunch of items and then you can just chill, like, you know. So the week I was gone, I still made money on Amazon, because the previous weeks I sent in items, you know, well, sent in a small haul, nothing big. But yeah. All right, family, so I made it to the Goodwill. I'm at the Goodwill right now. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna see what I can do with $10. How much money can I make today with $10, if any? Hopefully we find something. This is a challenge. I am definitely not going to go over $10, even though I have my credit card here, and I know it'll be very hard if I see other items, but I'm not gonna go over $10 today. I'm just sticking to the challenge. I feel like I'm gonna do a lot of challenges like this to show you guys that anything is possible. You don't have to have a lot of money to start making money in the flipping game, guys. So what I'm gonna do is go up in here and see how much money I can make off of $10. Like I said, hopefully we find something. So yeah, without further ado, let's go look. Oh, by the way, got a new GoPro. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. I don't know how good. It's supposed to be recording in 4K right now, so hopefully, you know, it's pretty clear. Let's go in here though. Let's go, guys. So let's go. It's time. I missed my fam. It's time. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Right there. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Wanna come in? So, how you doing, buddy? So the color of the day is purple. Everything purple is half off today, so that's awesome. So I came across some USBs right here, right? So what I did is I scanned it and I found it right here. It's gonna cost me $2.99, so that's in the budget, and it's gonna make me $15 profit, guys. So that's an awesome find right here. Awesome find. So this is one. I'm gonna check this one. I'm gonna check this one. I didn't check those yet. My camera, guys, my camera is at 20% battery, so it might die soon. I didn't charge it. It's a new camera. I forgot to charge it. All the footage I was getting in Miami, I just landed last night, so hopefully it doesn't die on me. But so far, we're on a good streak. We already made 15 bucks in profits. So let's keep looking. So these two items I just found, guys, came up to $6 in total, and bringing us about a little less than 20 bucks in profits. Now we have $4 left to spare. However, if I find an item that can make me more profits than both of these combined, then I'll, you know, put these back to get that item. All right, and hopefully we can just find another item that's less than $4 or $4 and make us big profits. And yeah, there we have it. So let's keep looking, but so far so good. You know, we're making money. That's all that matters. We're definitely making money today. We already made some money today. So let's see if we can find anything better. A lot of these used electronics are usually good, but I don't want to go for any used electronics today. Excuse me. Grab this guy. Let's check this out. I'm gonna check that out. If this cable modem router is any good. Great BSR, $100. Whoa. Let's see. Oh, it's restricted. Oh, $86 profit though. Wow. Oh, it's restricted and used as well, guys. Oh, this would have been a knockout. It's too bad it's restricted. Let me check. Oh, yep. This is a restricted item. Oh, would have made $84 for $70.99. I mean for $7.99. So yeah, but don't think about the would've, could'ves. Even though this is almost just so amazing, don't think about it. Just keep it moving. Which really, I could, you know, ask for permission to sell that, but I'm just gonna keep it moving for now. Time is valuable. Time is the most valuable asset. What is this up here hiding? This doesn't have a. Nah, that's okay. D-Link. This might be something. Let's see. I'm just gonna scan the front of it. Let's see. Nope. It's not popping up, and it has no. It's not popping up, and it has no barcode because the barcode's ripped off. I might type this little number or this little model number in the search field. Let's try that right now. So DWL-923 search. Yeah, so nothing popped up. Wireless laptop starter kit. Let me type that as well. This laptop starter. Video chat. Hold on, man. Hold on. My cousin wants a video chat. Yo, Q, what up, bro? What's good, cuz? Hey, yo, what's up? That's my cousin right now. My cousin just hit me up, guys. I'm gonna hit y'all back in a second. Okay, family, that item had a slow moving ASIN. Great profits, but a slow moving ASIN, so probably wouldn't have sold as fast as I wanted it to. So I passed it up right before my cousin called. So we're gonna check a few of these items out over here. There's a few items, I don't know exactly what these are, but you can't go behind here without assistance. So I'm gonna wait for somebody to help me out, but I'm gonna check a few of these items. This will be the last items I check, and hopefully there's some profits over here. If not, we're walking away with a small amount of profits, but we still flipped our money and we didn't even spend it all if I don't find anything over here. So let's wait and see. So family, I ended up getting just the two what are they called? HDMI port cables, and the two cables, the wires. I don't even know what they're called. One's an HDMI port, one's the computer to HDMI port. Let's just do this right here, right now, to see how much we actually are going to make in profits, guys. All right, so this is the first one that I bought for $2.99, so $3. And then look at second one. The second one right here, I bought for also $3. Came up to a total of $6.30 with tax. So let's see how much we actually made today. So if we go here on this one, wait. So if we put in $3, we made $5.16 on the first one, and on the second one we made, so let's put in $3, $12.38. So we made about $17 in profits, and we only spent $6. So spend $6. Just to clarify for the people that aren't really fast with math, I spent $6.30, and I'm going to make in profits $17 in profits, okay? Plus the $6 that I spent, but just the profits, $17 in profits. So yeah, spend 6 to make 17. That is not bad. That's over 100% ROI on your money. You're making more than what you spent ROI wise. You get what I'm saying? So you do stuff like this every day, your money will do nothing but go up. Now, I'm not going to send this in by itself for Amazon Retail Arbitrage. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold on to these, and later in the week, as I find more and more items, I'll get let's say like a haul of 10 to 15 items, then I'll send all of these in at once. All right, so for today's challenge, I didn't even spend the whole 10. I got $4 left, and I'm already making $17 in profits. And there you have it. You do stuff like this every day, and your money will just keep going up, guys. This is what you need to do. It's this simple, and you just keep doing it. I mean, some days, I'm telling you, some days you find really, really cool jackpots. Like, I've been in the Goodwills where I spent $5 and made over $100 in profits. You never know, but this is still good. Don't belittle the little profits, because this is still good. This is really good. All right, what I want to do is test how small of an amount of money you need to make good money, right? So like today I only spent $6, right? So this is very possible. So for those of you that don't have a lot of money to just go out and just, you know, take a risk on a bunch of stuff or spend hundreds or thousands of dollars at a time, you can start like this. This is very doable. This is very easy, right? So anyone can do this. All right, family, so I'm back home now. I changed up my attire because I'm about to go for a run with my dog. I know what you guys are thinking. Like, Lavar, you spent $6, but you only made $17 profit. I can't live off of $17 profit. You're right, you can't live off of $17 profit. But here's the thing. Here's the concept, guys. What you guys have to understand is, what would you have done with that $6 otherwise if there was no such thing as retail arbitrage? If you did not know about this, if you've never seen a video like this, you probably would have spent that $6 and just blown it on something. Chipotle, Starbucks, freaking the dollar menu at McDonald's, which I don't recommend. Anything, right? You would have blown that $6. It would have been gone, long gone, bye-bye, sayonara. That same $6 that you would have blown otherwise just transformed itself into $17 in profit. So in a total, $22, right? So I turned $6 into $22. Now, if you keep doing that over and over again, imagine how much money you will make. All the time, it won't be big, humongous hauls. Like, you've seen that item I did find today, which it was for $7.99, could have made me $80 in profit. You'll come across things like that on a regular basis at these Goodwills and these bargain stores, but not all the time will you be able to find things like that. I'm just giving you guys the real deal on things that I find like every day. This is typical every single day. But imagine if you go out every day and you just buy stuff like this every single day. It adds up, guys. So don't get caught up in the, oh, I turned $5 into 5,000, or I went to Target and bought $2,500 worth of stuff. Don't get caught up in that, because not everyone's gonna be able to do that right away. I'm just gonna keep it real with you guys. But what I'm showing you right here, everyone can do every single day, no matter what. A lot of times I find huge, crazy hauls and good profits you guys have seen on this channel. But yeah, guys, that being said, you already know how I end these things. It's peace and love. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because there's a lot more to come. Follow my other channels because it's gonna be crazy. My fitness channel, my music channel, my review channel. I have so many, so just go down below and check them all out, guys. And yeah, it's peace and love. Until the next one, I am out. Yo, hey, peace.